Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add workspace in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from a browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left side of your screen you can see all the menu bar. There on the top you can see your workspace. Click on your workspace, then this type of drop down menu will appear in your screen. Click to add a workspace. From here you can sign in into another workspace or find workspaces or just create a new workspace. Then check your email for a verification code. Then enter the verification code that you have received in your email. Once your account has been verified, this type of interface will appear in your screen. There, enter your company's name. It will be the name of your workspace. Then click to next. Then you can upload your profile picture. Then again click to next. You can send invitation to your colleagues or you can just skip this step. Enter your project. For the last time, click to start with free. Then your new workspace will be created. This is how you can add or create new workspace in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.